Okay, so let's look at train station and ticket office. So you can get to a lot of places in the UK, more or less everywhere, with the train. You can get to a lot of places with a train in the UK, with a train in the UK. A lot of places. And it's quite fast, quite cheap, and ever expanding. So it takes about 2 hours, and it could be 17 to 30 pounds from here to London. And to Manchester, probably roughly the same, probably double, maybe up to 50 pounds to 60 to go from here to Edinburgh, maybe more. And to get to Wales, South Wales, or the coast of Wales, probably about 2 hours again, and maybe same price roughly. So it's quite half decent. A lot of places as well. You can get to a lot of places in the UK. More or less everywhere has got a train station. So plenty of places to go to. And often are fast. Basically from here, West Midlands, it's 2 hours everywhere more or less. Cheap, yeah, affordable, yeah. And ever expanding. So there's always somewhere new that's generally going to have a new train station. How cool is that? So we have train station. Very nice. Train station. Where the trains are. Nice. And we have bus station. Where the buses are. Station. Where is the station? I need a station. What kind of station is this? What time does the station open? Then we have ticket. Ticket. You need the ticket. I need to buy a ticket. Where is your ticket? Where is my ticket? So ticket. Very nice. And then we have return ticket. So a ticket takes you one way. Takes you one way. But return ticket brings you back. So there's go and there's return. Go, return. Return. It might take 2 hours to get to London, but then it takes 2 hours to return. Very important. How do you get back? Return ticket. And then we have season ticket. So a ticket that is valid, valid for a certain amount of time. Maybe January, February, March. Winter, summer, autumn, spring, and beyond. So a season ticket for a certain amount of time. And then we have first class. First class. So maybe more spacious, more comfortable, maybe built-in Wi-Fi, possibly. And then we have standard class, or just standard ticket. The normal seats. The usual place, standard. A lot of tickets are standard. And there's not much reason, generally, to go for first class. Apart from comfort, maybe privacy, things like that. But it's going to be roughly the same thing. First class and standard. How cool is that? So first class, first standard, season ticket, a certain amount of time. Return ticket, go and return. Return to come back. Come back. Come back. Ticket, very useful. Bus station, where the buses are. And train station. How cool is that? Let's keep going, language explorers. Let's keep going.